Hey everyone, it's Tia from EMP Designs here, and today we're going to be looking at how to use the Skycast. This transmitter was designed to allow you to send a universe of DMX all from an iOS or Windows device, and we'll go over both of these options in this video. Starting off with iOS, plug the Skycast into your device and you should see it boot up. After that, you can access the webpage by following the IP address shown at the top of my screen. This will take us to the Skycast homepage, and this is where we can select our Skycast settings. Thanks to our new update, we can now also use linking keys to speed up the syncing process and also change our protocol. At the bottom, we can also link and unlink from devices. I'll go back to the default settings and show how to use the manual mode of the device. I'll also be using an LV2 to show the latest features of the Skycast. So by pressing the sync button, I compare the two together and we'll see that both status LEDs will start flashing. Once connected to a device, the Skycast status LED will return to flashing every few seconds. The next tab on our webpage will display all connected RDM devices. From here we can change device names, modes and starting addresses. We also have an identify option. This will send out a signal and can be used to find a specific device or controller. So once you've set up your address and chosen your desired mode, you can move over to the third tab to find your sliders. From here, you can fine-tune or flash 512 channels, and the address of each channel is displayed underneath the slider. At the bottom of the page, you will see the ones selected and be able to scroll through them by using the previous and next buttons. The fourth and last tab can be used to change your IP address and subnet. Going back to my home page, I can unlink from all my connected devices. The next thing I'll do will be connecting my Skycast to my PC. From there, I can stream patterns from a lighting software. Accessing the web page will be the same process as before, and once we get to our home page, I'll select a different in and out mode in order to stream a pattern. I'll select ArtNet and also set my universe so that I'll be able to connect to my software. One of the features included in our latest update allows us to monitor the DMX being sent out from our Skycast. This can be useful to get a visual understanding of a pattern. It can also be helpful to problem solve if a pattern or device isn't working correctly. Another new feature is the save and load functions of manual control, so I'll go back to the home page to change over again. This will let me set my universe of DMX how I want it, and then save the levels of all the 512 channels. So I'll go through and set some channels to different levels, and then press the save button. After that, I'll go back and return all the values to 0 again. When I press the load button, I'll see all the values return to where I had them saved. I'll also mention that as this data is saved to the Skycast, this allows you to swap between your PC, iPad or iPhone, retaining all the data you've saved. So if you wanted to swap to a portable device or simply passing the Skycast to someone else, the data will stay intact. That wraps up this video on how to use the Skycast. If you've got any further questions, you can get in touch with us by using the emails in the description.